It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 1st of February. I'm Michael Groff. A mostly cloudy but mild start to the week with temperatures around 5 to 10 degrees above average here across southern Arizona. We'll see a weak weather system coming through Wednesday night and Thursday. That should bring a small chance of showers and some cooler temperatures, but the weekend is looking good. All right, we'll get into it, but first, of course, we just wrapped up the month of January, so we have those climate stats for you. And overall here in Phoenix, the average temperature 56.3 degrees, and based on 30-year averages, that's pretty close to where we ought to be, but it was the 24th warmest January on record. That tells you just how warm the last 30 years has been. We had 68 hundredths of an inch of rain officially at Sky Harbor Airport, so that made it the 58th wettest January. And as we take a look at the climate stats from yesterday, 72 degrees the afternoon high, 43 was the morning low, not too far away from where we ought to be. And as we look outside now, here at 6:35 a.m., partly cloudy sky out there, sitting at 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 30, relative humidity 36%, the wind from the east at 7 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures this morning, it's in the 40s at Fort McDowell, but most locations through the metro, another mild start, mainly in the 50s to around 60, thanks to the cloud cover overnight. The upper air look shows a big ridge out here over the western states, and that's going to keep us mild for the next few days, but plenty of mid and high-level moisture riding in on southwesterly flow out ahead of our next weather system that's due in here later in the week. Here's the watch warning map. Obviously, the big story is up in the northeast with a major winter storm dumping snow by the foot on top of what they've already had. Let's look at some of these snow totals. This is coming from the National Digital Forecast Database. And we're still looking at another 10 to 20 inches of snow in some spots from Philadelphia up to New York City, Boston. You'll be getting in on it. Windy, very cold, raw conditions up there. And this is expected to continue through at least Tuesday or Tuesday night, maybe even into early Wednesday in some spots. So a major winter storm, the first one of the year up that way. All right, the convective outlook, no organized severe weather, hardly any thunder to be found, a little bit there across South Florida today, and that's it. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, pretty much nothing. Statewide, not a whole lot. A little bit up north with a system in here Wednesday night, Thursday, but that's it. And then the pattern looks like it's going to revert back to kind of where we were in the early part of the winter. We'll talk about it now as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, this is the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. A ridge out over the Rockies and into the Plain States, a southwesterly flow here across Arizona today, bringing in that mid and high-level moisture. So down at the surface, a mix of sun and clouds today. I'd say probably more clouds than sun. And high temperatures this afternoon, mild. We'll be in the mid-70s. Tonight, mostly cloudy, and that should keep us mild. Overnight lows in the 50s to near 60. And then tomorrow, mostly cloudy in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon. High temperatures mid to upper 70s. The warmest desert spots might get to 80. Now here we go to Wednesday. We've got a system approaching us from the north and west, but this feature is weakening. There's just not that much dynamic support this far south, nor is there a lot of moisture. So the day is mostly cloudy. High temperatures still make it into the low to middle 70s. And then Wednesday night, an isolated shower possible here in Phoenix. Maybe, again, a little light snow up north. But this is just not a feature that has much fanfare with it, so we expect it to move very quickly. The one thing it will do is knock temperatures down quite a bit. So by Thursday, we're mostly sunny, high temperatures back into the mid and upper 60s. Friday, sunny sky, mid and upper 60s. Saturday, upper 60s to about 70. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs should get back into the low 70s as high pressure builds back in. Here we go to a week from today. This is Monday, the 8th of February. And another trough moving into the Rockies and out over the Plain States, the tail end of which might move through the Four Corners and knock temperatures down a degree or 3. Highs back in the upper 60s. And let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday the 10th. And again, troughing to the north of us. We're kind of on the southern periphery, more of a westerly flow. And high temperatures should be pretty close to seasonal averages if that pans out. Let's take a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area off the European over the next couple of weeks. Not much to be had. Most of the members don't show anything. Even those that do keep it pretty light. The ensemble mean is back to being under a 1/10 of an inch. And temperatures off the national blend of models. Yep, warm today through Wednesday. A little bit cooler, back slightly below average Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. And then we'll warm it up again early next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a spectacular Monday.